Emiti y'ebijuma nka fene, emiti y'emibazi hamwe n'emiti y'obuzarranwa nka musizi hamwe n'amahogane neyo kubyarwa okwetorera tawuni ya Hoima, amashomero hamwe n'amarwariro.
Kukikuru muno kurora nti abantu bamanya environment twalinda emiti n'ebyobuhangwa byaitu kurora nti tutukubisiisa.
We took a deliberate decision to be part of the global agenda that tackles SDG 13, that is climate action. That's as a company. Our purpose is to make Africa green again.
Okutongoza okubyara emiti emitwaro 5 kwakorerwa aha mbuga nkuru z'orurembo rwa Hoima.
So we're here today as ABSA to fulfill a commitment we made starting in January. In January, we committed that we're going to plant 1 million trees over the next 3 years. When we made that commitment initially, we thought it was a very bold commitment. We thought it was a very big number. But we've received a lot of overwhelming support coming through from partners who are willing and coming on board and saying we actually need to plant more trees.
So we cannot continue lamenting year in, year out. We need to be walking the talk. And I think this is one of the most very significant interventions by ABSA to support us in Hoima City.
Omwe ombantu abino oburema pamisho yajangwe emiti neyo mugasho aharubo ahabukuba empinda hinduka y'obwire nebateganisa munonga.
Okuchumba kutubona abonesa kusangira omukuru nagambe byakagasi singo tungira no bugasi wabantu abatakukweza kutusa kuchumbisa nkusa kusabira emigisa 10.
We cannot prevent the pressures from happening, but we only have to work around them and have these coexist with the different developments.
Okurujira kuchondoza okwakozwe 2019 kurukorwa ba Umoja Conservation Trust igana nefero bichwekasha tunabitana harigana bebyo buhangwa ahabo kubikwata kubi. Gasha kwa Ambrose Katoto.